We often recall the image of charming flowers and trees as we recall the world of plants as we saw earlier in the 5 most beautiful flowers in the world. But there is in fact this wonderful beauty is no less attractive to the most beautiful flowers and plants of the world. So take a look at this, the theme of the strangeness of the world of plants through the strangest plants in the world. Rafflesia arnoldi. This amazing flower is the largest flower in the world, with a diameter of 1 meter and a weight of 11 kilograms. It grows in the forests and jungles of Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia and the Philippines. What is strange about this flower next to its huge size is that it has no roots, leaves or legs. How do you live then? Long live on others. Where intrude on the surrounding plants like mushrooms. 1. This flower is a rare flower, because its sprouts need several months to grow, and even after it grows, the open flower does not live for only a few days, so scientists wonder how this flower continued until today without extinction. Anyway, if you think it's pretty enough, do not rush and try to get one for the one you love because the flower smells foul like the rotten flesh. Hydnora africana. This exotic plant grows under the earth, and only this terrible flower emerges. This flower is a trap caught by the plant prey to the beetles by releasing a foul smell that attracts beetles to it. It's good to find someone who is attracted to it by that smell and shape. And this plant spread in the deserts of South Africa. Dracunculus vulgaris. The dragon or living tree, like its predecessors, is characterized by a foul smell. I do not understand the secret of the association of exotic plants with bad smell. And this plant consumes flying bugs for nutrition. Amorphophilus. Finally, we found a beautiful flower in this group. But do not rush. If you find this beautiful flower in front of you, try to escape because it smells very foul. Where the flower is open for 3 days, during which the smell is very unpleasant to attract insects. Imagine that the height of this plant could reach 3 meters, and the weight of flower to 90 kilograms. Well, Witchia mirabilis. Of the very exotic plants found in the deserts of Southwest Africa, it is very slow growing and living a century ago. I do not think that if I passed by him I would imagine it was a plant at all. It seems closer to the seaweed, but in the middle of the desert. What is strange is that all you see from many sides of this plant is actually 2 sheaths and a root, and the papers magnify frighteningly until they reach 2 meters and width of 8 meters. This plant lives between 400 and 1,500 years. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the button like.